Good Thursday morning. I've put together a little collection of fabrics. They're all knits. They're all wonderful. They're all $12.99, and they're all a great deal. They'll be $12.99 through Sunday. This first one, we start with a little floral. It's a black and gray. Beautiful for this time of year, and great into the holidays, especially with a little bit of red. But has stretch in both directions. It's cotton poly. In fact, most of these are cotton poly, and most of them are stretch in both directions. They're all very similar, except they're beautiful differences. This is a black, and it's a velvet. It's a stretch velvet. So you know this is perfect for the holidays. There's not much of it. It's going to go fast, but it is a really pretty black stretch velvet, and I put it in because it works well with the floral, and it works well with this leopard, this next one. And this is a, what I love about this fabric is it's got the gray and the gold. I mean, it's got gray and brown tones, so usually you don't see those together. It's either gray or brown. And I like that this has got both. It has stretch in both directions. It's very pretty. It's like a sweater knit. It has great drape to it. It's really pretty. And of course, if you didn't want to do the black, I put the brown in with it because these would make a great pair of leggings. You know, you could just do really cool stuff. Stretch in both directions. Just a great fabric, great drape, cotton poly knit. Again, $12.99, you guys. And there's a brown in this olive that really blends beautifully with this brown. So I wanted to show you that those could be done together. The olive has stretch in both directions. This is actually 100% viscose. This is the deal of the day for sure. But $12.99 is a great price. But then also, because obviously we have holidays coming up, we've got some red in here. The drape on this is amazing. I just wish, you know, what drape does, it makes you skinny. So this has stretch in both directions. Just a beautiful piece of fabric. Cotton poly. And again, $12.99 through Sunday. Happy sewing, ladies, from Silhouette Patterns.